Um, this is a very quick video. I want you to look at it, and if this works for you, I will create more videos with more specifying more um, features of the website. First of all, you mentioned that the links do not work. I don't know where, because they do work. Basically, you click on a link and it goes to that product. In this case, this other product, but we don't have any products because I deleted all that. But all the links, they work. These are the informational pages, and when you click on that, it works. However, if you did try to use the links while you were at the editor, at the Elementor editor, no, the links do not work in there. They work once everything's published. But anyways, let's go very quick to the back end of your website. This is it. And let's just concentrate on one thing in this video, and then you let me know if this is going to help you. We're going to add a new category. Click on categories. Now, the name of this category is going to be, let me see, whose, per se. Whose. The same thing that I write here, you need to write it here. It may be useful for the future. Is this going to be a parent category to another category? Do not worry about that, because whether a category goes under another category, all that is fixed through the menu, like you used to do in OpenCart. So now, this, if you want to have a description in the category page, you can add it here. So let me just find something here to fill it with. This is going to be the description of the category right here. Copy that. Let's go there. Okay, very well. Nothing to worry about display type. Here goes the image of that category. As you can see, these categories, they have images that you will have to replace with the correct image. I already left all the categories for you. But anyways, we're doing a new one. Upload an image. I'm going to use this map, so this becomes visible when it's done, so we can tell the category. There we go. Okay, and finally, add new category. So this is done. I just added the new categories. You can see it is right here. See, here's the description of the category. A little bit too long. I don't think you're gonna have much of. Let me change it like that. Anyways, this is the description. You can make shorter or longer. Very well. Now, next thing, we're going to add a product. The reason for which in your website, in your homepage, there's nothing showing like in your OpenCart is because there's no product. Once you start adding products, the categories will start to show. So we're going to go and add new product. Title of the product is going to be pool. This is the description of that product. There we go, I just pasted it. You can, you can play with it if you want to make bold statements, you want to add a link. Now, we keep going down. Most of your products have sizes, dimensions, colors, texture. This is categorized not as a simple product, but as a variable product. Okay? Oh my God. So you choose this to be a variable product. Taxable, it's up to you. Oh, I'm sorry, I should not have done that. Variable product. Very well. Tags, this is already it's already set up. You don't need to touch anything, but if you do need something special, let me know and I'll guide you through that. Inventory, the SKU number if you want to use it in this product. Manage stock, enable stock management at product level. Basically it means that how many you have in stock, and it will, the same thing as your old card, it will deduct this stock. Okay, I'm not going to put anything. Do not worry about dynamic gallery. Shipping, you don't need to worry about that. Linked products, okay. It tells you right here what it is when you put your mouse on top. Upsells are products which you recommend instead of the current view product. So you can put a link here for that product. For example, not even that. All you have to do is use 3 words. So I don't know, because I don't know now. Okay, that's the problem. I don't have any products, so there's nothing I can suggest. But that's what this is here for. If you want to suggest a different product than the one they're looking at, I find that silly. And this field here says, cross-sell are products which you promote in the cart based on the current product. Okay, I guess this will be if you want to promote similar products or additions to that product. So you buy a big piece of wood and now you need something to cut it. There you go. So very well. Now, here we go. Attributes. We need to add an attribute for this product. So I'm going to click add. And the name of my attribute is going to be color. In this case, I'm going to put blue, separated by that bar, red, separated, and black. Okay. Click on this, check here. This doesn't need to be checked. And save. Then the next thing that goes now is we go to variations. And in variations, we're going to select create variation from all attributes. So whatever I did before in this other window, attributes, is going to come out here. So click on go. Okay. And it's going to show me 3 variations, which are the 3 variations that I created. Right? You got blue, red, black. Now we need to put a price. Let's suppose that every one of these products in different colors cost the same amount of money. You click on here and you click on set regular prices and you click on go. And let's say that the price is $99.99. Okay, so let's see. Very well, this is done. Now let's suppose that this price is one of these colors is more expensive, the red one. You click on this little arrow and it's going to open this window with more details. You're going to change this price to $150, and that's it. Save. So this should be done. Save. Very well. I'm going to close this thing here. Next thing I will do, what category will this be going to? It's going to go in the one that I just created. What was the name of the category? Pools, right there. Just to show you this example. You want to add tags to the product tags, you can add it here, like pools, water, water pumps, etc. The image of the product, let's choose the image. Now, because I don't have a pool here, I'm going to choose whatever. So I'm choosing this one image. Actually, you know what? This is a little bit closer to. No, not really, but let's just go with this. Set that product image. It will show here. There you go. Now we scroll down. If this product has more images, click on Add Dynamic Gallery Images. So now I will choose holding my Apple key. I believe you have an Apple too, like me. So holding the Apple key, I will choose this, and I guess that's it. All this image. Click Add to Gallery. There we go. So this product is the main photo, and these are the sub photos to that product. Okay. This little section here is if you want the description usually shows under the product, but there's a little section to the right of the product. You can put it here. So I'm going to copy a little bit of here, this, and put it here. Okay. Very well. I selected that it wants. I need it to be under pools category. I think I'm done. I'm going to publish this product. And I will go to the front of the page and I will refresh my page. Let me see if that category shows now. There you have it. The first category of pools, because it has that one product. When you click on this category, it's going to show you all the products within this category. There is the only one product. See it? When you click on read more, it will go to the page to that product. Remember we talked about the little information on the right of the product? Here it is. The longer information is here. Here's the product and additional images. See? There you go. So, just to tell you how this is supposed to look, let's go back to home. Let's go back to the back end of this page. I'm going to select this product and this very same product that I just created and check all the categories, okay? That way my categories are going to all show on the front page of the website because now they're all holding one product. Okay, there's a lot of categories. There we go, update. Let's see what happens. Now I will refresh the page and let's see. There you have it. There you have it. There are all your categories, and when you click on any of those categories, it's going to show you that product that I assigned to every category. Okay, so please let me know if the way I explained it here works for you. There are more details, and I will work on a personalized video for you guys, and it will be much easier. It may seem like this is a very basic high school website. No, it's not. Trust me, it is not. There's a lot to learn. When you mentioned that what was it? You mentioned that the pages, that the links were not working. Okay, when you click on pages, this is a totally different thing that has nothing to do with the e-commerce section, with the shopping cart. We were here. This is products is your shopping cart. Okay, this is the only two things you need to worry about is products and pages. Pages is static. Okay, there are some pages that belong to the shopping cart, and I will install a plugin that will hide pages that you don't need to see, so you don't have to be confusing yourself. But for example, let's go to let me see, what page do you have that you have content. And I'm sorry if I'm rushing this, it's just that I have two more customers that I have to, okay, here you go. I have to get done with shipping and handling. Let me find that page. Oops. Shipping and handling. Yeah, I'm gonna just shipping. Search. It should give me the page that I'm looking for, because the reality is that you have a lot of pages. Shipping and handling. Edit with Elementor. Elementor is nothing else than a very basic editor that helps. It's very helpful, it's very easy to use. Okay, but nothing's going to work here. You can click whatever you want to, but the page is not going to change inside of Elementor because you are on the editing mode. Okay, and if you want to change anything here, you click on the little pencil, then you go all the way to the side, and this is where you make the changes. But I'll go in more detail about this. If this video works for you, and then I'll create other videos and I'll go in full details, okay? So let me know as soon as possible, and I'll work on getting you more videos with more information.